What's up, Tube? Welcome to Guido's Chop Shop, and welcome to Tabor. Today I'm talking about how to pack a backpack. Now, in this case, it's an adventure backpack. When you're going into a raid, you might want to pack some meds, a bandage, and some food, perhaps. The essentials, maybe even some ammo. I like to divide my bag into quadrants. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 quadrants, and any loot I get, I only keep in the lower 2 quadrants. If I'm carrying meds or other stims, I try to put them on the MOLLE on the outside of the bag. You can actually fit slim items on the MOLLE on the outside of the bag, not actually occupying space inside. The water bottle actually, the nose of the bottle starts to occupy a little bit of space in that top quadrant, but I try to keep that, drink it when I'm in raid, and then ditch it so that I've got all my quadrants free. And any loot that I might collect, I'll try to keep in these lower 2 quadrants, and that way, if I need to pack an armor rig, I can fold it up and I can fit 2 armor rigs in that top quadrant. There's another one, so I can fit that. These ones actually go better this way, but yeah, I can fit them in the top quadrant and still have plenty of room for loot in the lower 2 quadrants. Now, this is important as well if you're in a team with a teammate, because it means that if you've packed your bag in this manner, then your teammate can collect your gear, pop your rig in there, pop your weapon on the side, and pop your helmet on that side, and they can extract with all your kit easily without having to reorganize your entire bag to collect it. So that's a massive time saver, especially if they're under fire or something. It's handy having all that space there ready to go. Also, when you do have the armor folded in there, you notice the mag pouches fold as well, but you have to pop the magazines in. But there is plenty of space to pop your magazines in if you need to collect that kit and extract with it. Another thing that I wanted to talk about is the hitbox of the armor. The armor is a big thing, right? So it doesn't fit inside when it's unfolded. But when you fold it up, even though it's folded, something that you might not know is the hitbox of the armor is still the same size as when it's unfolded. So if you drop that bag and then try to pick it up again, you're actually going to end up grabbing the armor, because the hitbox is so big. When you try to grab the bag, you're grabbing the armor, and that can be a real pain in the butt, especially if you're trying to extract with your teammates' kit. You've put all their stuff in there, and then you have to drop their bag to engage an enemy, and then you try to pick up their bag again, and this happens, and you end up pulling the vest out and not picking up the bag. And then you got to try and pack the vest in again. Fortunately, if you've got the quadrant set up that I spoke of, it's quite easy to pop back in. It's still a pain in the butt. Something that you can do to get around this is if you flip the vest upside down, and if you can pop it in that way, then the hitbox is still there, but it's actually on a different side of the bag, so it's much easier for you to just pick that bag up without grabbing the armor by accident, like that. Anyway, that is my Guido's bag tips for Tabor. I hope this helps some people. I see some really atrocious bag packing. I know everyone's got their own sort of style, but I like to keep all my loot that I'm collecting in the bottom half, so I've got plenty of room to pack another armor rig or something else in the top, or 2 armor rigs if necessary. Alright, hope this helps. Thanks for watching.